This vast durian orchard represents the future of agriculture, utilizing modern techniques to maximize yield.
Hanging heavily from the branch, the durian fruit is characterized by its sharp, pyramid-shaped spikes and vibrant green skin.
The specialized shears make a clean cut, ensuring the delicate fruit remains undamaged. To ensure the delicate flesh remains unblemished, the fruit is caught in specially designed safety nets, minimizing impact. The autonomous transporter, or AT, seamlessly moves the fresh durian from the sorting facility directly.
Each morning, this convoy transports the prized fruit from the farm to the markets beyond.
The colossal conveyor system, seen here carrying the freshly harvested durian, is the first step in a highly automated process deep within the factory.
Here at the heart of the facility, the giant conveyor belt moves the durians through the washing and scanning stages.
We had a minor fluctuation in the sorting matrix, now resolved. The system is fully green, ensuring peak efficiency for the export batch.
High-pressure water jets are used to remove the thick layer of grime from the delicate aluminum structure.
Here we see the wet durians moving along the highly polished stainless steel conveyor belt towards the sorting area.
The durian now enters the drying zone, where powerful air blowers rapidly remove excess moisture, preparing the fruit for packaging.
The durian enters the sterilization chamber, where intense UVC light eliminates surface contaminants.
The UVC chamber ensures complete sterilization, leaving the durian pristine and ready for export.
This advanced system meticulously measures the size and shape of every fruit, optimizing the sorting process with unparalleled accuracy. As the simulation demonstrated, the heat mapping reveals surprising efficiency in the cooling systems beneath the intricate facade.
As the durians move along the belt, the integrated AI rapidly assesses their size, using precise Once inspected, the Grade A durians proceed to the automated labeling section before being shipped globally.
This industrial crusher can process up to 5 tons of durian husks per hour, breaking down the tough fibers efficiently. The shredded durian husks move steadily along the conveyor belt, ready for the next stage of processing.
Here we see the biological agents being introduced to the durian husk stream, a critical step in the process.
The analysis confirms our hypothesis. The pH level rapidly declines, stabilizing the mixture as the The anaerobic furnace processes the durian husk material at extreme temperatures, converting waste into energy.
Inside the anaerobic furnace, the durian husks are transformed. Notice the intense heat and the complete lack of black smoke.
As you can see, the brick is clean, indicating superior quality charcoal.
The remaining mixture of the durian husks now travels along the conveyor belt towards the final stage, the brick pressing line.
This planetary mixer ensures a homogeneous blend, crucial for the next stage of development.
The hydraulic press descends, applying immense force to the durian husk mixture. The fibers are compacted into a dense block.
These innovative green bricks, made entirely from recycled durian husks, are now ready for the curing process.
The green brick exhibits remarkable durability. The rebound hammer test confirms a significantly high compressive strength.
Brick. The traditional brick shattered at just 5,000 psi.
In this vast space, we see the future of sustainable building, the innovative green bricks, and the highly efficient durian charcoal.
Make sure you spread the adhesive evenly on these green bricks. They lock right into place.
Got it. This sustainable material is much lighter than concrete.
The Q3 efficiency spike correlates directly with the new sorting equipment.
Interesting. But what about the yield percentage on the Montong variety?
Mr. Ba, it's an honor to have you here. Let me show you how the sorting line works.
Thank you, Engineer Ming. This is truly remarkable.
Panel shows we process nearly a ton of plastic every hour.
And the machines know which is which.
Yes, it ensures everything is recycled correctly.
The challenge of waste transformed into the building blocks of a sustainable future.
By implementing a circular economy, the durian industry minimizes waste. Husks and seeds are transferred.
We gently pat the soil around the base, making sure the roots are secure before the first watering. It's crucial for the young durian's growth.
The durian husks provide the nutrients the young trees need to grow strong and healthy. This is much better than chemicals.
bioplastic, derived entirely from the husks, shows remarkable tensile strength. It's a significant breakthrough for sustainability.
Here we see the intricate cellular structure of the durian fruit, characterized by its dense, elongated fibers and thick cell walls.
By optimizing the pressure and temperature here, we transform the waste into fully compostable packaging.
The durian, often called the king of fruits, is now protected by this revolutionary new eco-friendly packaging.
Down, hold it there. Okay, you're clear, set it down.
This magnificent vessel, loaded with the world's finest durian, now heads out into the vast, open ocean.
At night, the processing plant lights up the landscape as the highly prized fruit is prepared for export.
The night shift is crucial for processing the highly prized durian. These automated lines ensure
Wow, this is incredible. So creamy.
Oh wow, it really is good. Can I have some more?
From the moment it falls from the tree, we are finding new ways to ensure the durian gives back to the community.
The yield data for this section is up 20%, Mr. Ba.
This harvest looks very promising, Ming. The hard work is paying off.